Welcome to English Listening Channel.
Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to look at a conversation at an airport's arrivals area. In this video, you will follow a simple and practical story between two friends who are picking up a friend at the airport. Don't worry, I will speak slowly and clearly, so please relax and enjoy the story. Before we start, I have a small question for you. Please listen carefully to find the answer. This will help you understand English more deeply. So here is today's question. When you go to pick someone up at the airport, which area do you wait in? The answer is mentioned in the conversation. If you find the answer, please write it in the comments section. By writing your answer in English, you can improve your English skills even more effectively. All right, let's start the video. Are you ready? Okay, let's begin.
Here we are. The airport is so busy today.
I know, I'm so excited. Mina is coming home today.
Me too. She was away for a whole year.
A whole year! I missed her so much.
So did I. We talked online, but it's not the same.
It's not. I can't wait to give her a big hug.
Me first. Okay, let's go inside and find her.
Did we park in the right place? This airport is huge.
Yes, we parked close to the door. It's not a long walk.
Good. I don't want a long walk back with Mina's bags.
Don't worry. It's just a few minutes away.
I'm so nervous and happy at the same time.
I feel the same way. Let's just enjoy this day.
Wait, which way? I see a big sign for departures.
No, not departures. That's for people leaving on a plane.
Oh, right. So where do we wait for Mina?
We go to arrivals. That's where people come out after they land.
Arrivals, not departures. I'll try to remember that.
It's easy to mix them up. They're in different parts of the airport.
That makes sense. Departures is for going, arrivals is for coming.
Exactly. Mina is coming to us, so we go to arrivals.
Look, there's a sign with a little plane going down.
Good eyes. A plane going down means arrivals. Let's follow it.
Got it. Let's hurry. I don't want to be late.
Don't worry. Her plane is still in the air.
Okay, then let's find a good place to wait.
This way. The arrivals area is just ahead.
Look, there's the arrivals board. It shows all the flights.
There are so many flights. How do we find Mina's?
We look for her flight number. Do you have it?
Yes, she sent it to me. It's flight 227.
Okay, let's look for flight 227 on the list.
227? There it is. I found it.
Great. Now look at the words next to it.
What does that word mean? It says landed.
Landed means the plane is already on the ground.
So she's here. She's in the airport right now?
Yes, but we still have to wait. She isn't out yet.
Why not? The plane already landed.
After they land, there are a few more steps. It takes time.
I see. I also saw a sign for baggage claim. What is that?
That's the place where she picks up her bags.
Oh, so she gets her suitcase first.
That's right. The board also shows the time and the terminal.
And some flights say delayed. What does that mean?
Delayed means the flight is late, but Mina's is on time.
Good. I was a little worried for a second.
No need to worry. Her flight already landed safely.
How will we know when she is close to the door?
We won't know the exact minute. We just watch the door.
So we keep our eyes on that one exit.
Right. The board can't tell us that part.
I'll check her flight one more time, just to be sure.
Good idea. It still says landed, so we're fine.
Let's find out exactly where she comes out.
There's an information desk over there. Let's ask.
Excuse me, can you help us?
Of course. What do you need?
We're picking up a friend. Her flight just landed. Where will she come out?
Is she coming from another country?
Yes, she was in another country for a year.
Then she will come out at the International Arrivals exit. It's right over there.
Thank you. How long will it take?
It can take 30 minutes to an hour after landing.
That long? Why does it take so much time?
There are 3 steps. First, she goes through immigration.
Immigration? What is that?
An officer checks her passport and asks a few questions.
I see. Does everyone have to do that?
Yes, most people coming from another country do.
I see. What happens after immigration?
Then she picks up her bags at baggage claim.
Right, the suitcases. What's the last step?
Last, she goes through customs. They may check what she is bringing in.
3 steps. No wonder it takes time.
That's right. When she is finished, she comes out through one big door.
Is there a good spot to stand and wait?
Yes, stand near the front, but leave room for people to walk.
That makes sense. Can we hold up a welcome sign there?
Of course, many people do. It helps your friend find you.
That's a relief. We made a sign for her.
She'll love that. A friendly face is the best welcome.
So we just wait by that one door?
Yes, wait at the arrivals exit, not departures. Many people miss that.
We'll wait at arrivals. Thank you so much for your help.
You're welcome. Enjoy seeing your friend again.
Sam, look at this little shop. They sell flowers.
Good idea. Let's get some flowers for Mina.
These yellow ones are pretty. Do you think she'll like them?
I'm sure she will. Yellow flowers feel warm and happy.
Then let's get the yellow ones. They're her favorite color.
Perfect choice. And look, the shop has welcome cards too.
Oh, cute. But I already made something at home.
Really? What did you make?
A sign. It says, "Welcome home, Mina." I made it last night.
That's lovely. People often hold signs here at the airport.
Really? I've seen that in movies.
It's true. When there are many people, a sign helps them find you.
That's smart. Mina will see it and know where we are.
Exactly. Some people write the name big, so it's easy to read.
I did that. Look, the letters are nice and big.
It looks great. Hold it up high when she comes out.
I will. I hope she's not too tired from the long flight.
She might be tired, but she'll be happy to see us.
Should we get her a coffee too? She loves coffee.
Maybe later. A hot drink might spill while we hug.
Good point. Flowers and a sign are enough.
They're perfect. She'll feel so welcome.
I also brought her favorite snack for the car.
You think of everything. She's lucky to have you.
I can't wait. Let's pay for the flowers and go.
Okay, the exit is just a short walk from here.
Perfect. Let's get a good spot near the front.
Let's sit here for a minute. My feet are tired.
Sure. We have a good view of the exit from here.
There are so many people waiting, too.
Yes, many people are here to meet family or friends.
That family over there has balloons and a big sign.
They're probably waiting for someone special too.
It makes me feel warm inside, watching everyone.
The arrivals area is full of happy moments.
I think I might cry when I see Mina.
Me too, maybe. It has been too long.
Oh, my phone is buzzing. It's a message from Mina.
What does she say?
She says, "Just got off the plane. So happy to be back."
That's great. So she is inside the airport now.
Should I tell her where we are?
Yes. Tell her we're waiting at the arrivals exit.
Okay, I'm typing it now. We're at arrivals. See you soon.
Good. Now remember, she still has a few steps.
Right. Immigration, then bags, then customs.
You remembered all three, so it may be a little longer.
I don't mind waiting. We're so close now.
Me too. It's been a long year without her.
It really has. I have so many things to tell her.
Let her rest first. She'll be tired.
You're right. Maybe we can have dinner together tomorrow.
That sounds nice. We can go to her favorite place.
She'll love that. She always talks about the food back home.
Then it's a plan. But tonight, she just needs sleep.
True. A long flight makes everyone tired.
Especially when the time is very different there.
Right. No wonder she gets tired. Poor Mina.
Yes, she may be very sleepy. Look, more people are coming out now.
Already? Let's stand up and get ready.
The doors are opening. People are starting to come out.
There are so many people. I can't see Mina.
Stay calm. Let's look for her face slowly.
Everyone has a suitcase. They all look the same from here.
Hold your sign up high. She'll look for us too.
Good idea. Welcome home, Mina. I hope she sees it.
Lots of people are holding signs. It's a busy exit.
I see families hugging. Everyone looks so happy.
This is the best part of the airport. So many families coming together.
Wait, is that her? The girl with the red bag?
No, that's not Mina. Let's keep looking.
This is so exciting. My heart is beating fast.
Mine too. Don't worry, we won't miss her.
There's another group coming out now.
Keep your eyes open. She could be in this group.
So many people are stopping to hug and cry.
That's normal here. People wait a long time to see each other.
I keep looking at every face. I don't want to miss her.
Take a breath. We have a clear view of the door.
You're right. The sign is up and ready.
Good. Watch for her dark hair and her big smile.
There are still so many people coming out.
She'll be here. Just keep watching the door.
Wait, I think I see someone waving this way.
Where? Point so I can see too.
Over by the second door. No, that's not her either.
It's okay. Keep calm and keep looking.
I'm watching. Come on, Mina, where are you?
Wait, look over there, near the door.
Where? I can't see. Show me.
The girl with the blue jacket. I think that's her. Mina, over here. We're over here.
Sam, Aaron, oh, I'm so happy to see you both.
Welcome home. We missed you so much.
I missed you too. The year felt so long.
How was your flight? Was it okay?
It was long, but I slept a little. I'm just happy to be back.
Did it take long to get through the airport?
Yes, immigration and customs were slow today. The line was long.
We know. Someone at the information desk told us all about it.
So you waited the whole time? You two are so sweet.
Of course. And look, Aaron made a sign for you.
Oh, welcome home, Mina. Oh, that's so sweet. Thank you, Aaron.
And these flowers are for you too. Aaron picked them.
They're beautiful. You two are the best friends ever.
How does it feel to be home after a whole year?
Wonderful. Everything looks the same, but I feel different.
You'll have to tell us all your stories.
I will, I promise. But first, a warm bed at home.
Of course. We can talk tomorrow.
Thank you for coming to get me. It means so much.
Was it hard to find us? The exit was so busy.
A little, but then I saw the sign. It was easy after that.
That sign was Erin's idea. She worked hard on it.
I can tell. The letters are so big and colorful.
We wanted you to feel happy the moment you came out.
I did. Seeing your faces made me so happy.
I'm glad. We waited right here at Arrivals.
Arrivals, of course. That's where you pick someone up.
Exactly. Now let's go home. You must be tired.
I am, but I'm so happy. Let's go home together.
How was it? I hope this video helped you improve your English. Now let me ask the question from the beginning one more time. When you go to pick someone up at the airport, which area do you wait in? The answer was mentioned in the video. Did you find it? If you did, please write your answer in the comments section. By practicing English output like this, you can improve your English skills more efficiently. On this channel, I share stories in slow and easy English with small but useful tips to help you learn. I will keep uploading videos like this, so if you enjoyed it, please subscribe to the channel. And please don't forget to like the video and leave a comment. I also offer channel memberships. If you enjoyed this video, please consider joining as a member. All right, that's all for today. I hope to see you in the next video. See you next time. Bye.